Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the lens and flowers, a 50 mm or 85 mm at f/1, 8 f/2. 8 gives large circles of confusion. Set flowers about 1 to 3 feet from the background so the background falls far out of focus. Once done, arrange small light sources or reflective highlights on the background, string lights, sunlight through glass, or foil reflections, and keep the camera 1 to 2 feet from the subject to maximize blur while maintaining framing. You now compose tightly and set exposure. Choose aperture priority or manual and dial the widest aperture you want for bokeh size. Focus precisely on the nearest petal using single point AF or manual focus. This keeps the foreground sharp and the background melted. Once focused, tweak ISO and shutter so highlights don't clip. If light is low, mount the camera on a tripod and slow the shutter to avoid camera shake while preserving the smooth out-of-focus circles behind your flowers. You finish by refining distance and light. Move lights closer or farther from the background to change bokeh size and adjust flower-to-background spacing for stronger blur. For creative shapes, cut a small aperture disc with a silhouette and place it in front of the lens. This alters bokeh geometry. If you see harsh hotspots or soft focus, diffuse the lights with tissue or lower intensity, and reconfirm focus on the petal. Make sure to recompose only after focus is locked to keep the effect consistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.